She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm doing some knotless box braids in one of the hair blends that I sell. And the blend that I will be using is Sunrise. And I do already have a video of me creating this blend. So if you're curious or interested in watching that video, I will drop it down in the description below. Or if you want to know the colors that I used, again, the video link will be down in the description so you guys can go watch that. And if you're just interested in purchasing this hair blend, then I'll leave the link to my website so you guys can go check it out. My client here is my little cousin Bintu. You guys have seen her a lot on the channel, and she had dyed her hair. So we have already done a couple different blends that fit pretty or matches pretty well with her hair. So we're doing another one here again using Sunrise, so you'll see how well this blend also still matches with her hair, although I did tuck her hair, but you can see that the color is not too far off from what her hair color is. Now this video is not really a tutorial on anything really. I'm just showing you guys what this hair blend looks like braided. I've been trying to get a lot of my hair blends that I sell braided into a style so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like when it's actually installed in as a protective style, you know. And I've been doing different hairstyles, different braided styles. So I will also link the playlist for that down below. If you guys want to see the different blends that I have already braided up, that playlist would be down in the description. I believe it's called Hair Blends Braided. But yeah, this video is just to show what this hair blend Sunrise looks like when it's all braided up. Now if you guys want a detailed tutorial on something specific maybe that I'm doing in a video that you have a question on, first check out the channel, because I do have detailed tutorials on a lot of things already, like how to do knotless box braids, how to tuck hair, how to add hair to extend the length of a braid. I have a video already on these things, so you guys can check out the channel. And I'll also try to link those videos down in the description in case you guys can't find it. But if there's anything else maybe, or if you want me to do an updated knotless box braids tutorial, let me know. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments and I'll try to answer it. Or if I think it's something that it's better that I show it, then I'll do a video on that. For this style that I did on my little cousin, I did use 4 packs of my braiding hair. Now my braiding hair does come in a different quantity than what it would if you were purchasing like expression braiding hair from somewhere else. But we used 4 packs of my braiding hair. Now typically when I'm doing knotless box braids, it doesn't really matter what the size box braids are. I would use 5 packs. The only reason why I use 4 packs for her is because she wanted her braids a little smaller with these same size parts. But if I was normally doing this size parting, I would make the braids bigger. But since I made the braids smaller, I didn't need to use as much braiding hair. Again, if I was just doing it for a regular client, the size that I would be doing would require me to use 5 packs. So 5 packs is what I always recommend for people when they're asking for a style like knotless box braids. Now when you get into adding length and all that, I just tell you to refer to your braider. Or when you're asking about a specific style, like, I don't know, feed-in braids going back, I have you refer to your braider, because I really don't like recommending a certain amount of packs that you would need for my braiding hair. I know it may sound weird, but I just don't like it, because I would hate to have you over purchase, or I would hate to have you not buy enough and then you're sitting there with a half done head of braiding hair, and you have to order more hair and wait longer, or you have to blend hair yourself, or whatever you have to do. You know, I just hate to be wrong, so I like to encourage you guys to refer to your braider. I do have a full view photo of what the braiding hair pack comes in. And so you can see, I'll also let you guys know how much comes in one pack, and it is only one bundle that comes in each pack. So I try to give you guys as much detail as possible about my braiding hair so you guys can make that guesstimate yourself and see how much you think you would need, because every braider is just different. And again, I just hate to be wrong, and I don't even like saying 5 packs, but that's what I use, so that's like a safe benchmark for me. But I don't even like saying that because it just feels like I'm trying to get you guys to purchase a lot of my braiding hair, which is not the case. Again, I say 5 packs because that's how much I use. And aside from just every braider being different and using different amount of hair, it's also the client size head. Like my little cousin, her head is not as big as my head. So if I was doing it on my head, baby, I'm using 5 to 6 packs of braiding hair. No questions asked. Like, I have a huge head. So that is another factor in how many packs of hair that you'll need. I don't know why I just went on this rant on that. I think that's just because I get a lot of questions asking that, and I just always got to tell people, like, I feel bad not being able to give you guys a direct, clear answer, but it just is what it is. I just tell you guys to refer to your braider. Again, I've given you guys everything on the website that I possibly can give or show. Okay, but moving on from that, so this style took me 6 hours to complete. If you're a fast braider, you can probably get this done in 4.5, 5 hours. I'm just more on the slower end. And I'm so sorry, y'all. I did not count how many parts I did. I know there's always somebody that asks how many braids there are, how many parts I made, and I completely forgot to count, so I apologize for that. But I do know that there were 6 rows total. So she has 4 rows on the top and 2 rows in the back behind her ears, so 6 rows total. I'm going to curl the ends of her braids so you guys will see me do that. But I think that's all that I wanted to say or explain about this video. But if you guys have any questions at all, feel free please to leave it down in the comments below. Now I'm just going to allow you guys to watch me complete this style, and then I will talk to you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let me know what you think, if you thought this the result would turn out the way it did. I like it. It's not as bright as it may seem. It just, you know, it looks really subtle, just like some blondish, brownish, you know, braids. So I like it. I like the way they turned out. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.
I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We didn't have it, that's all take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We didn't have it, that's all take you there, take you there. Please be don't just be not make you be that. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Another woman that can take your spotlight.